audience, you're watching a news Metrobara in focus with me, Firzana, Zahida, Filzah. I'll present to you about the hot news for today, and the news is about the necessity of unity and integrity to face the phenomenal coronavirus. Many countries in the world have problems with the coronavirus. Many new people become sick every day. Governments come up with strict rules. People do not like them. Some business must close because of the coronavirus. A lot of people lose their jobs. The situation happens again now. People are starting to be angry and confused. They do not understand some rules. They do not trust officials. Pubs, restaurants, malls, shopping centers, gyms, and even schools close in many countries. People all around the world can travel in and out of town just only for working. The situation is serious and getting worse. People are very unhappy. Governments must communicate better. People need to understand what is happening. Countries must get the virus under control, but it is not possible to close all places. The COVID-19 pandemic is one of the most dangerous challenges this world has faced in our lifetime. It is above a human crisis with severe health and socio-economic consequences. Antonio Guterres is the ninth Secretary General of the United Nations who took office on 1st January 2017, said that the World Health Organization, with thousands of its staff, is from the front lines supporting member states and their societies, especially the most vulnerable among them, with guidance, training, equipment, and concrete life-saving service as they fight the virus. The World Health Organization must be supported, as it is absolutely critical to the world's effort to be the one against COVID-19. Obviously, in such condition, it is possible that the scientists have had different readings by different entities. Once you have finally tried to take on this epidemic, there must be a time to look back fully to understand how such a disease emerged and spread its devastation so quickly across the globe, and how all those involved related to the crisis. The lesson learned will be essential to effectively address similar challenges as they may arise in the future. But now is not the time. Now is the time for unity and integrity, for the international community to work together in solidarity to stop this virus and its shattering consequences. We are in the middle of the fastest transformation the global economy has ever experienced. The coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in billions of people not being allowed to work and having to stay at home. Millions of people face unemployment, and governments are working day and night to provide financial and medical support. It is also an incredibly testing time for the functioning of organizations. Employees at companies around the world are still trying to be productive and perform their jobs from remote locations, and also the students. They study at home by guiding their teacher in other places. Employees and governments are concerned about the health and safety of their staff and the people, but also whether their organization will survive. In this context, companies must resist the temptation to sacrifice their control system, governance, and appropriate culture and adjusting to the new realities of COVID-19. So, it is very important of maintaining unity and integrity between all countries in this universe in facing COVID-19 to make the world life get better soon and live normally as before. That's all of the news for today. I am Firzana Zahida Filzah from Metrobara News. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.